Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video, I wanted to sit down and do like a current favorites video. I feel like it's too late to do a November favorites. I don't think I'm gonna do a December favorites just because I have two other favorites videos that I'm gonna do. There's just a lot of favorites videos coming. We're almost like already halfway through December, so I feel like it'll be dumb if I do a November favorites video just because I feel like it's already too late. I also kind of like wanted to like somehow, like all of my other video ideas, I really couldn't think of where to like slide my giveaway into. So we're doing a current favorites video because this is really products that I've still been loving since last month a lot, and I wanted to share them. I have a little bit of makeup and I do also have some body care products. So I have two foundations that I have been going back and forth with. One of them is like very affordable and then the other one is more like expensive, but I really like them. But the good thing about the expensive one is that it is on sale right now. So the first one that I've really been enjoying, it's this one from Hard Candy. This is the Hard Candy Glamoflauge Full Coverage Foundation. It claims to have a 16-hour wear and it is oil free. So I had never tried anything really from Hard Candy before. I believe I was like at Walmart like 2 or 3 months ago or something, and I picked up this foundation. I also picked up their translucent setting powder. I feel like at first I didn't really like it. Like playing around with it, like testing it out with my other primers, I really like how this looks on the skin and just how it wears. So I did get mine in the shade 1503 Linen and I really liked it. It does not come with the pump, but it has this like doe foot applicator thingy, and I love how it looks on the skin. It looks like your skin, but like just better. I really like how it covers my redness up and it doesn't look heavy, it doesn't get cakey on the skin, and it blends out super well. I don't like to blend this out with the sponge. I like to blend this out with a foundation brush just because with the sponge I feel like it just soaks up way too much of the product, and it is also buildable. We're usually just going with like one layer and then I'll like add a little bit more to like any like redness, but I don't think it's full coverage. I think it's like a medium-ish coverage, which I don't mind, but I really don't think that this is full coverage. It does wear very nicely and it just looks so pretty. I do have it on today. I've really been enjoying this. Another one that I've also been going in with a lot, this is the Bounce Liquid Whip Longwear Foundation from Beauty Blender. This retails for $40. I actually paid full price for it, but it is on sale still right now at Sephora for 20 bucks. This foundation just looks so pretty on the skin. I feel like this one is again like a medium coverage one and it just looks so nice. It gives you such a very pretty like natural luminous, not luminous, but like radiant finish to your skin. You don't look greasy or anything. I do like to just still go ahead and prep the skin with like a matte, like an oil control primer, just so that it keeps my skin on check. With the right primer, it looks very nice on the skin. I really like this one. I don't know, I've really just been going back and forth between these two. I feel like I finally found the setting spray that just locks everything into place. I feel like with my other setting sprays, like they do set my makeup, but some of it still transfers onto my mask. But with this one just has everything in place. And then when I look at my mask, like there's like the tiniest bit of makeup transferred on there, but it's almost non-existent though. I've been loving the Morphe Continuous Setting Mist. This is the original one. I do also have the mattifying one and also the Jeffree Star one. The Jeffree Star one is on sale at Morphe. I think it's like $4 right now, which is insane. But this one from Morphe, it does retail for $16, and I had actually got this on sale. I got this when it was like 2 for $16, so I picked this one up along with the mattifying one. I do like the mattifying one, but I feel like the original one, this one just sets everything so well, just locks it into place. It just works so good. This does leave you with a very pretty like radiant finish, so it doesn't leave you with the matte finish or anything. It's just like radiant, but you don't look like greasy or anything like that. So I love this one. I think this is gonna become like my new holy grail setting spray. Like it's so good. I finally picked up the e.l.f. what are these called? These are like their bite size blush duos. but I got these 3 and I think they launched maybe like 8 of these or something. They're like $3. You get a blush and a highlighter in these, and I actually picked these up because one of my friends, Daisy, she was like using them in like her Instagram reels. She does also do YouTube videos, so I'm gonna leave her links down below. Go subscribe to her. I love her channel. I am obsessed with her, like obsessed. I watch all of her videos and I love like everything that she posts on Instagram, so go subscribe to her and go follow her as well. She had been like using these her videos and I'm like, I need those. I need those. So I finally picked these up. I have spiced apple along with white peach and guava. So I really like the bite-sized eyeshadows. Like, I mean, I love elf, my baby, everything, but and I'm not surprised that these are really good. So you do get a blush and a highlighter. I especially like to use these just for like the blushes, but I'll also go ahead and kind of like mix the blush in with a little bit of the highlighter. But these are really good. They're so pigmented. They look super pretty on the cheeks. They're $3, so if you're on a really tight budget, pick these up along with the bite-sized eyeshadows because those are bomb as well. But I've really been liking these. I think that my favorite one is for sure spiced apple. It's just like the very like, it's just like the prettiest, like everyday like neutral shade. I have an eyeshadow palette that I want to talk about. I have been using this so much. I am actually wearing it today. This is from Morphe. This is the 35XO palette, and this is like from their holiday collection. I think it's sold out at Morphe, but you can still find that at Ulta. So you get all of these shades, and this is literally, if you love pinks and mauve shades and purples, then this palette, you will love it. I feel like I'm in heaven when I open this up and I start to play around with it. So I really like this palette. I think it's so good. It retails for $25 and it just works so good. I usually like hate this size of palettes from Morphe, but when I saw the colors, when I saw the shades, I was like, this is literally me in a palette. I love pinky tones and mauve shades. Like, I've been using this so much. I do plan on doing like a holiday look using this palette, so keep an eye out for that. But I love this. It comes with so much shimmers and mattes. You can really create so many different looks with this. I think this has got to be like one of their best palettes from this year. I love it, and the packaging is also so cute as well. So yeah, so this is still available at Ulta. It is sold out though on Morphe's site, I did see. So I have just 3 more products to talk about. I've really been getting into body care. I bought a lot of body washes at Bath and Body Works. So if you haven't watched my haul on all of the things I got, I will leave a link down below for you guys. I picked up some body washes from them that I've really been enjoying. These are the ones that I found myself using the most. So the first one is in the Stars Moisturizing Body Wash. This has shea butter and cocoa butter, and this leaves your skin super moisturized and soft. It just feels like a dream, and it smells so good. I am waiting for like their semi-annual sale when everything goes like super cheap so that I can buy body lotions along with the body sprays, just because I feel like when you go in with the shower gel, the body lotion, and then the fragrance mist, then you just smell so good. So I do really want to buy the other ones just to accompany like all of the body washes that I have. But this one, like, this formula feels super good on the skin. My skin just feels super soft and moisturized, and then this is like such a huge bottle, like, and I think originally they're like $13.50, but they always have the whole like buy 3 get 3 free, or like buy 2 get 1 free, something like that. And the other body wash that I've also really been enjoying, this is this shade. I was gonna say this shade. This is the scent Dahlia. I had gotten the $30 box that you could get if you spent $30 on Black Friday, and this is the scent that came in there. I have the shower gel, the body lotion, and the fragrance mist, and I've been loving to just use all 3 together. And you smell so good all day long. This smells amazing. This is like my new favorite scent. I wish you guys could smell this. Like, I wish you could smell it. Another body care product that I've also really been liking, this is from Tree Hut. This is their vitamin C shea sugar scrub. I've also really been diving deep into the shower side of TikTok, but so many girls use these scrubs from Tree Hut, and I remember that I was at Walmart and I saw that they had a bunch of them, but this was like the only scent that I like. and I love it. It smells so good. This also lingers on your skin like after you get out of the shower for a long time. Like even though it is a scrub, it still feels very gentle on your skin, and I like how it just really like exfoliates your skin. And I like to really just use this before I go in and shave. I think we're like halfway through with this one, so I'm gonna have to buy some more. I think that they are cheaper at Walmart. They're like $6, I think. At Ulta they're like $9 or something. Let me get the giveaway stuff. Those are all of the products that I have really been enjoying. Let me know what you guys have been enjoying as well. But now to get into the giveaway, because my camera is about to die. Thank you guys just so much for your support. I really would not be here at all if it wasn't for you guys. For everyone who watches my videos, who shares them, who comments, who likes them, even those who give them thumbs down. I said that I was gonna do a giveaway. Again, this giveaway is only gonna be open to subscribers who are in the US. Post office did just like bump up their shipping prices, so doing like international giveaways is just out of the question for now. So I am sorry about that. I did want this to be like a worldwide one. I'm very sorry. As of now, this one is only for those who are in the US. So I am going to be giving away the Blush Crush palette from ColourPop, along with this mini Kylie lip kit in the shade Sweater Weather, these two lipsticks from ELF, and this gloss from ColourPop. This is one of the bite-sized eyeshadows from ELF in Berry Bad, and along with this Tarte Double Take eyeliner. One of you guys is going to be winning all of these little goodies, and all you have to do is make sure that you are subscribed to my YouTube channel, give this video a thumbs up, and also just leave a comment down below. Say anything. You could just say whatever you want, but just make sure to include one of these emojis in your comment, just so that I know that you did listen to the rules and you are aware that this is only for subscribers who are in the US. Everyone is gonna get 2 entries, but if you want some extra ones, you can also follow me on Instagram and also on TikTok. So it's not mandatory, but if you want those extra entries, you can do that. And if you could just leave the best way to contact you if you are the winner. So this giveaway is going to be open for 2 weeks. It will end on the 28th, on Monday, December the 28th. And then I will contact the winner the following day on the 29th. Thank you guys so much for your support. Thank you guys for watching today's video. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. I will see you guys in my next one.